What's happening? This is Johnny Snow back in the building. Today we gonna open up a new gun. It's a gun that kind of reminds me of the SD40, kind of, sort of, kind of reminds me of a Glock, but it is neither one of those. Let's open it up. Alright, so Springfield has introduced the Echelon. So I decided, you know what, let me go ahead and snatch one up. Let's go ahead and get this on the table, get a better look at it. Alright, so here we go. We got the Springfield Echelon. Comes in a cardboard box. And, you know, cardboard box is fine, I guess, because they also have a pouch on the inside that it comes in. And let's see what else we got in here. We know that the weapon is in the pouch. We have warranty information. We have the test shots. And we have a couple of back straps. We have a lock. We have another magazine. We have a loader. We have base plates. And here, let's go ahead and move this box out of the way, but you get the gist of everything that's in it. And let's go ahead and check this out. All right, so they give you this little soft case to put it in, and let's go ahead and open this up. All right, what is this? Oh, okay, that's just, let's see if you can see that. All right, so there you have the gun. All right, this is actually pretty nice little gun. Pretty nice little gun. And like I say, it reminds me of a Glock. It reminds me of the Smith and Wesson. And it is very light. That is the first thing that I noticed grabbing it, that it is very light. And it did come with two magazines. We have the 16, 17 round magazine. And this is, I've heard people say 20. I've heard people say 21. We'll say 21 then. And there it is with the 21 round magazine. We'll find out here pretty soon whether or not that is accurate. But 20 or 21 round magazine. And we have ambidextrous safety. Want that side. That side. Let's see. See if it'll pop up. Pops up a little bit. Pops up a little bit. All right, so all in all, this feels good. Feels real good. And it has like a little mock gas pedal, not as pronounced as the aftermarket ones you can get, but you know, hey, then it has texturing right there. You have texturing all over this gun. You have texturing on the magazine, texturing on the grip, texturing on the side of the frame. That is awesome. I like how it feels. I really do like how it feels. And then we have the takedown lever here with texturing on it. And the mag release is also ambidextrous, just like the safety. And you have the cuts for a sight. So you have the cuts for a sight. So I need to figure out what sight I want to put on this. I actually just put a hollow sun on my Canic Rival Steel, and I'm loving the hollow sun on this thing. Let's see if you can. There it is. See if you guys can see that. And that is not a dot in the middle. That is actually a chevron. Go ahead and go check out the unboxing and the couple of videos I've done on this Canic. So I may put the same sight on this one. I do not know just yet. And we have a pick rail on the front. Let's see. I think I have a, yeah. Let's see. I have a little light that I could put on this thing. Boom. There it is with Olight Baldor on it. Well, doesn't change the balance, doesn't throw the balance out or anything. If anything, it feels more stable with that on it. So yeah, I mean, this is a very nice gun. Hold on, let's. Matter of fact, let me drop the magazine. Trigger pull and reset. That was a reset. Boom. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. So this is a very, very, very nice gun that I say is in the family of Glocks. It's in the Glock family. See the backs of them. Let's see if that'll come into focus. That's the backs of this with the Glock. And there's the Smith and Wesson. So there it is beside the Smith and Wesson. There's the back of the Smith and Wesson. So definitely in the family with those. And you know what? I can't wait to get this out to the range, take a few shots with it, see how it feels. But so far, I am liking this. I am liking this, and this is actually one of the weapons where you can take the shooting module, the trigger module out, and change the frame out. So the actual registered part is the module that's on the inside. So this is a, you know, one of those guns where you can do several different things. And I know a lot of people say that the ones where you can take the trigger module out, the fire module out, that they tend to be heavier. This is not. This is very lightweight, feels very good. The grip, the texturing on it is great. I really like this weapon. So definitely make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can follow the journey that I take this and all the other weapons on, and make sure you hit them notifications so you get notified every time I put out a video. Johnny Snow up out of here.